Hey fam, yes, I'm back. Look, somebody asked me how to cut a bob. I don't know how to cut a bob good, but we gonna learn together, baby. Look, I think the mailman is trying to sabotage me. Look what he did to my box. This is like the second time he did this, y'all. Okay, let's get right into it. From Shein, this is a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. It's 180% density. It's 24 inches. The color is orange brown. It's pre-plucked. It has a pre-plucked hairline. It's Swiss lace Remy, and I am loving it. Getting a pre-dyed wig is so bomb, you guys. It's already done for you. Look at how it look up close. It is so beautiful. Again, it is a 13 by 4, which is standard lace ear to ear. It comes with the 4 combs, 2 on each side, 1 in the front and 1 in the back. So I am a part of the little bitty head committee, so I will be taking a nice chunk out and resizing it to fit my little pea head. So this is how it looks. I cut a nice big chunk out and reinserted the comb, and the strap that was already on here, I sewed that together. To see how I sized them, look for the video of me resizing the wig in my playlist. So since the edges looked so good, they were really pre-plucked well. What I did was straight out of the box. I did not bleach the knots or anything like that. I just took my brown makeup to match my skin, turn it inside out, and I'm just going to slightly color the edges with the makeup, just as you would do your edges for your ball cap. So for those of you guys who have been following me, you know I don't wear real long wigs. So she is ready to get cut up. This is how she looked. I really like this color though, y'all. Hit me up in a comment. Let me know what you think about this color. Now remember, y'all, I do not know how to cut a bob that good. I don't have any measuring tape. I'm using these clips, so we gonna learn together. But I do kind of like this messy look. I don't know how mine is gonna come out, but I'm really liking that messy, sexy kind of look. Okay, so I'm basically done. This is how she look. I think it look cute, but I think it might be a little bit too short. So when you guys get ready to do your bob, always go a little longer because you can always shorten it up. But if it's too short, you cannot make it longer. So let's pray for the best. So I'm assuming to make it that messy look on the sides, you might have to cut like some layers or something. I don't know. I need to look at some YouTube videos on how to do this so I can up my game. But let me know what you guys think. I do like the color on me. I think the color is very bright and vibrant. So hit me up, and I appreciate you guys supporting me and watching my ugly videos. I love y'all.